Okay, so let's talk about two different ways that you can improve your prompt with AI in Dapta. As you can see here, I'm in my advanced settings page and I am under the test agent tab. Now here you can see the prompt that was previously generated for me using our AI technology in Dapta, but say we're not quite happy with it yet. Or we've done a custom prompt and we want to make some adjustments to the entire prompt. Well, that's really easy to do. So right here below the prompt, you're going to see this button that says Improve with AI. All you're going to do is simply click on it. And now Dapta is going to use their AI technology to once again analyze the entire prompt and maybe give you some suggestions on how you can make that prompt better. Awesome. So now we've analyzed and made a few suggestions. So here on the left side is your original prompt. Here on the right side is the suggested improvements. So it looks like we're missing context in our original prompt. So Dapta has gone in, used AI to analyze and make a suggestion for some company information and context. So if you're happy with this, you can hit accept changes. You can reject it if you're not happy, or you can hit this button and try again. So I'm pretty happy with these changes, so I'm going to go ahead and hit accept changes. Now, say I don't want to analyze the entire prompt, but maybe there's just a few lines that I want to fine tune within the prompt. Well, that's easy as well to do. So what you're going to do here is you can go to any line and highlight or group of lines. So here I notice we have this line that says maintain a communication style that is consistently friendly. Say we want to expand on that a little bit. So I'll go ahead and highlight this and hit improve. And now I can specify how I want to improve this part. So we could say something like more detailed communication and match the user's tone of voice when speaking with them. So here I can just go ahead and cancel this, or I can hit improve. So I will hit improve. Once again, we're going to analyze these lines that I've highlighted and make a suggestion to improve this prompt. So here up top in red, we have my original line. Here below in green is the suggestion. So I can go ahead and reject this if I'm not happy with it, try again, maybe add some more details, or I can hit accept right here and I'll do that now. Awesome, so you can see that's been added to my prompt. Now at this point, I'm gonna want to remember to save my changes, and that will complete the process. So these are two quick, easy ways that you can improve your prompt with AI in Dapta.